Search teams are now looking for the black box of a Boeing 737-800 aircraft after it reportedly crash-landed into the Mediterranean Sea due to bad weather. More after this. On January 25, 2009, at approximately 2:37 a.m., an Ethiopian Airlines flight 409 crashed into the Mediterranean Sea shortly after departure from Lebanon, Beirut. The Boeing 737-800 had approximately 90 flight crew and passengers on board.
The plane took off from the Beirut airport at 2:37 in the night. After a few minutes, all contact was completely lost. There were 54 Lebanese passengers, 22 Ethiopians, an Iraqi, a Syrian, one Lebanese Canadian, one Lebanese Russian, a French woman, 2 Lebanese Russians, and 7 crew members.
Early reports that indicate survivors were pulled from the wreckage are false. Although bodies were transported to the Beirut hospital, they were of deceased passengers. Currently at this time, the Lebanese Prime Minister does not believe that this incident is due to terrorism. U.S., French, and Lebanese forces are currently looking for the black box to see what really happened shortly after takeoff from Beirut Airport. There is more information hopefully soon to come within the next few days. As we receive it, we'll pass it on to you. Jerome Voris, Aviation Nation Television.